Yes, let's look at this question number 28 for WAEC Chemistry 2018. Cu, which is actually copper, and HNO3 are not suitable for preparing hydrogen gas because of their A. Reactivity and oxidation respectively, B. Conductivity and corrosiveness respectively, C. Melting point and reduction respectively, D. Electronegativity and solubility respectively. So how do we take care of this very question? Now we can simply use the elimination method to pick out when it says respectively, means that the very property is associated with the, like this one, reactivity is associated with Cu, copper, whereas oxidation is associated with HNO3. For this one, conductivity is associated with copper and corrosiveness is associated with HNO3. So what are the possible properties of copper and HNO3 as triazonitrate 5 acid that can make them not to be good for producing hydrogen gas? Is it electronegativity and solubility? We also know that this is electropositive. So can its electronegativity actually affect its reaction to produce hydrogen? This cannot be the answer. Conductivity and corrosiveness. What has conductivity got to do with hydrogen gas production? This cannot be the answer because of this. Now, melting point and reduction. I don't think there's anything reduction has to do with hydrogen gas production, especially when you combine it with melting points. So this cannot also be the answer. But reactivity and oxidation respectively. Reactivity is copper, Cu, is it reactive enough for hydrogen gas to be produced using it? So it has to be a factor to be considered. Then oxidation is also important. So this is an oxidizing agent. So can you actually use it to produce hydrogen gas without it being able to oxidize it into water? So it's a factor. Oxidation is a factor. So with that, A is very likely the answer. So we can now say that the two factors that will make this not to be possible is reactivity and oxidation respectively. So we can see that you have to question the reactivity of the copper, and we all know that HNO3 is an oxidizing agent. It's a very strong concentrated one, is very strong oxidizing agent. So it's a factor. So do you want to oxidize the hydrogen that you form immediately to H2O? When you're using an oxidizing agent like this can happen. So you will not be having enough hydrogen that you want to produce. So please, you have to study this. Please check out your textbook in the preparation of hydrogen gases, and the preparation of hydrogen gas, and you get better understanding of these. Thank you.